Funk and I rarely go out to dinner, but we were told about this place that's about 40 miles away from where we're staying. It's an organic farm and just a tiny little restaurant. It's open a few times a week and has live music and an absolutely gorgeous drive on the side of the mountain the whole way. No guardrails. Lots of markers where people crossed. So I drove because I'm a better driver now, aren't I, Funk? And do you know what I said?
You're the better driver.
Yeah.
It's true.
Anyways, so here we are, having a Halloween dinner. Hope you have a great night. Toodles.